Hi everyone, so I'm super excited to show you my new digital kit for May. So it's called Spring Garden. It's not the kind of colours I would normally go for, but I really like them. So this is the front page. Excuse my curly paper because I've printed it off. I wanted to check everything was all fine with it. But it's kind of like a mushroom. It's almost like it's a sort of a pinky mushroom brown almost. But there's such, you've got a real wide range of different patterns. So that's obviously the front cover. Then you've got this floral piece. In fact, I think they're upside down, so we'll just turn them around. This floral paper here, watercolory, and then you've got like a ditzy print. So floral, but it's got a kind of a more of a pale pinky background. And then this one again, just slightly less. Now my magenta was running out when I printed this, so I think it's pretty much true, but it was obviously heading out when I printed it off. Then there's this one. We turn around, right around. Hopefully that's the right around. Really beautiful again with the flowers. I just wanted to get something nice and springy, so that's what we're going for here. A bit bright, a bit pretty, a bit springy. So that's that one. And then we've got this one, which has this lovely watercolor kind of border to it and some springy flowers in the middle. Okay, and then we've got the same again, but with a different background. This one's like more of a pinky background. And then we've got this sort of nice sort of ditzy print, all very pretty patterns. And then the same print again, but on white background. And then we've got another watercolor, but on white this time. And then another watercolor, but it's slightly more sort of spaced out on white. And then last but not least, a slightly larger watercolor, and again it's on white. So that is the Spring Garden digital paper pack. So this is available either two ways basically. You can either go to Etsy, and I'll put the link up on the screen. You can go to Etsy, have a look in my shop, and it will be in there. And it's £2.99. Excuse the sunshine coming through. It's £2.99, and obviously you get 12 digital papers. This is the A4 version. I'm probably not going to put a 12 by 12 in. I think I'm going to keep it to A4. I'll have a look and see, but I think the Golden Flora, the last kit that I sold, most of them was A4 that was bought, because if you're a crafter like me, you can't print 12 by 12 off on your printer. So I think I'll probably stick with A4. I might do a 12 by 12 version, we'll see. But yes, you can either go to Etsy, or you can become a Silver +1 member, and that means that you get sent the digital kit. What I'll do is I'll upload the files, and then I'll put a post up, and you just get the files from the post. There'll be a link in the post, and it's only for Silver members. Yeah, so that's the way you can do it. So that is just £5.99 for the month, so you get all the benefits of a bronze member. Plus you also get your digital kit as well. So obviously if you're already a Silver member, you will automatically, the post will go up with the file link in, and you'll automatically be able to access these right at the beginning of the month. Okay, so that's the joy of being a Silver member. You haven't got to go to Etsy and faff around. You can just, just sort of rolls through. And obviously you get all the extra benefits of being a bronze member, which will come up on the screen now. And obviously your extra Silver member +1. Okay, so now I'm going to show you some things that I've made with this. Okay, so I just want to show you some of the makes that I've made so far using this new Spring Garden pack. So you would have seen this if you were on my live stream. You would have seen this that I made. Just quite like the fact, just the different, the ditzy prints, and the just really pretty. It can shut like that just about. So there we go. So I've used one of the papers there, and I've just made sure that I, join them up on the front. And obviously you open it up and you've got that. So that's one of them. And then there's this one, which I actually made today in my craft class, and this is that pull down pop-up panel card that I made again in another live stream, but I've just done it using the new Spring Garden papers digital pack. So again, really pretty, and I've used that In Love Art Shop die on the front, the happy birthday one. So don't forget to use iced images to get 20% off. I shall put the details on the screen for that. But yeah, so that's that one. And then I also have done this one, which you saw this card in the In Love Art Shop craft haul that I did but obviously I've used my own papers on that. I really love that. And again, that's another In Love Art Shop die, that is. And then this is the 5x7 portrait tucked corner fold, which again you've seen me make. Yeah, so there we go. And again, I've got some more In Love Art Studio dies there. So the little musical note one and the happy across the top. This is actually a Coco Rosa Studio one, but I think In Love Art Studio also have it. So I'll put a link. All the links will be in the description below. So there we go. So that's my new pack. So just some of my makes that I made with the new pack. So it's now live in my Etsy shop. So if you go over to icedimages.etsy.com, it's over there. It's called Spring Garden. I've done an A4 pack. I haven't done a 12x12 yet, but if anybody wants a 12x12, please leave a comment down below and I will do a 12x12 pack and add that in. I've just done an A4 for now because that seemed to be the most popular. But yeah, but go and have a look. As I said, it's a download. You can just download it. And what will happen is when you go onto Etsy, you download the file. It's a PDF. And then it's got a link in it. You click on the link and it takes you through to all the files. Okay, and it's that simple. And then you just print off what you want. And yeah, you're off and away making things. So yeah, so I hope you liked this video. Hope you liked the new pack. Please go check it out. Yeah, if you're a silver member, please let me know if you want me to send you this pack, because I can. I have got another pack coming out soon because of the King's coronation and also because 4th of July. I know it's July, it's not, we're in May, but I just wanted to do it and I thought then it's sort of relevant for both. Because it's all red, white and blue. So if you're a silver member and you want to hold on until you see the red, white and blue pack, then please do. So yeah, silver members, just let me know which of the two packs you want me to send you, to email you, and also obviously give me your email address. But yeah, otherwise you can go over to Etsy and purchase it in the Etsy shop. Okie doke, so please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you never miss a video, leave a comment down below, let me know what you think of the pack, and yeah, I'll speak to you again soon. Bye!